What if you could create a custom AI assistant that engages your customers exactly how you want? Answering their questions, recommending products, and even collecting feedback. With custom GPTs, you can. Hi, I'm Andrew with YoDev, and in today's video, we're going to go over how you can use custom GPTs to help craft compelling messages to engage your audience the way you want to. Let's get started. Why use custom GPTs for engagement? Custom GPTs allow you to design AI models that interact with your customers using your brand's voice, provide personalized product recommendations, and collects the analyzed customer feedback for you to review later. An example could be a custom GPT for an e-commerce brand that recommends products based on customer feedback and historical purchases. You could dive into that GPT, upload a customer profile and any questions or anything that they specifically asked and their order history, and then you can get a detailed output of what products to offer, as long as your products are preloaded into that GPT. Let's go over some use cases for customer engagement and how you can use custom GPTs to improve that process. Recommend 3 products based on this customer's past purchases. You can then insert the past purchases, upload a CSV, or even take a screenshot of some past purchases and load it into ChatGPT. From there, you'll get the output of your products that you preloaded into the custom GPT to then recommend to that customer. Another solid use case that a lot of people use custom GPTs for is FAQ automation. Answer this customer question. What is your return policy for damaged items? You could build a GPT that has all of your FAQs and answers loaded into it so that you and your team can quickly ask a question when you're on the phone with a customer, or you get a question from customer service that they don't understand, and that GPT can give you that answer immediately, or better yet, have your customer service department use the GPT so your team doesn't get bogged down. A great use case for customer engagement would be collecting feedback. Write a follow-up email thanking a customer for the purchase and asking them to rate their experience on a scale of 1 to 5. ChatGPT can collect all of this data and then give you insights into your customers' feedback, good or bad, and how to respond or move forward based on that data. And finally, interactive features is another good use case. Generate a response for a customer who left a 4-star review thanking them and asking how we can improve. Integrate ChatGPT into your team's review systems and processes, and answering those Google reviews will not be a burden anymore. So how do you build a custom GPT to help with your customer engagement? Number 1, you have to define your use case. Help customers find the right product size for our apparel line. You can then add additional context and upload those FAQs, the customer personas, and the purchase data to train that GPT. Test and refine to get the best GPT for exactly the engagement results you're trying to get. Use prompts like, what's the best product for someone looking to reduce energy bills? Explain the warranty policy for our windows and doors. All of these prompts and refinements in the custom GPT phase is going to help get that GPT thinking how you would answer questions and basing it off of past questions and answers that you load into that context. It's truthfully a powerful tool. If you want some quick fire prompts for not only customer engagement but other marketing use cases, click the link in the description below and you can get our ChatGPT for Marketing Teams 2025 prompts. Take care.